Hi, assalamualaikum habibty. Welcome back to my channel with me Afni shiroji. So untuk video kali ini I'm gonna do something different karena aku baru banget dapat paket dan aku udah lama nggak bikin video. Aku bakalan bikin eye makeup look. So it's gonna be focused more to my eyes. Aku udah bikin dan base makeupnya, all foundation, my eyebrow, my face, my lips is already done. So untuk bagian mataku, especially aku bakalan pakai MORPHE ini yang 3502. So kalau kalian baru di channel aku, welcome to my channel habibty. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. So I'm gonna zooming. Jadi kita bakalan fokus untuk ke bagian matanya. Di sini aku pakai MORPHE 3502. It's really pretty color. Di sini ada kayak bright red color. Itu namanya fire. Let me show you the color. See how pretty. So I think I'm gonna using this orange, this red color. So we'll see what I'm gonna. So untuk warna transisinya aku bakalan pakai warna ablaze. Ini tuh semacam kayak warna orange gitu. Kayak aku tap-tap aja. So bright. Wow. Isn't pretty? Pretty look. Really like this. So I'm going back with shade ablaze. I'm tap on my outer corner and try to blending. And I'm gonna using another brush. Jadi aku mau pakai brush yang runcing gini. Aku mau pakai shade yang namanya fire. Dan aku mau fokus ke outer cornernya sini, terus ke bagian crease. Really gentle. Oh my god, so pretty. Really in love sama warnanya, pigmented banget. Oh my god, ini bagus banget. Dan aku balik lagi ke brush yang tadi. Aku blending lagi. Aku mau bikin warnanya tuh lebih deep gitu di bagian luarnya. So I'm gonna using the color. Ini shade-nya namanya Heat. Oke, aku pakai di outer corner gini, kayak di crease-nya aku blend. Dan aku mau mix sama yang shade-nya itu chestnut. Ooh, wow. Really nice color. I'm gonna put more chestnut here, working on it. Terus aku balik lagi ke blending brush yang tadi. Kita blending the edges. I'm kind of in love, but I think I'm gonna do more deep. Aku mau pakai yang shade-nya namanya itu Brave. I'm going to Brave. Oh wow. Next untuk bagian kayak lidnya itu, I'm kinda confused actually with this color. Ini tuh shade-nya Ruby. or name is, what is this called? Polish head. So I'm decided to using this. It's called Ruby. So I'm just using my finger and tap tap. Oh wow, rich color. Trying to reach the inner corner. Oh my god, look at that. And I'm using, what is this shade? So aku balik lagi ke blending brushnya. Wow. Aku bakalan pakai yang di inner corner sekarang, itu namanya Pure. Pure? Ya, oke, Pure. Terus aku bakalan pakai yang tadi ini. Sisanya aku blend aja di bagian bawah matanya. Oh wow. So let's do it the other eye. I'm pretty done. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this palette. Thank you, Morphe. It's really beautiful. I think it's something new to me that last time I make it emerald green look, then I'll make it like kind of fire. Like, what is that? That's amazing. I'm really in love with this eye look. Oh my god. So pretty. Oh my god. So I'm kind of done. I'm finished with my eye look. I'm already put some eyeliner, a little bit of mascara, and yeah, it's done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Really enjoyed to make it another video for today. Welcome to my channel habibty. Buat kalian yang baru banget di channel aku. So I hope you enjoy and see you in my next video habibty. Assalamualaikum. Bye.